Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. You need to remove or replace exhaust camshaft position sensor. Stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it. With the engine being out of the vehicle, we can show you even with a greater detail, but you don't have to remove your engine. So let's explain how to do that now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So specifically guys, this is a 2.4 GDI engine that can be found in the Hyundai Santa Fe. Ours is out of a 2013 model. Let me explain guys quick. I want to share with you, many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below what computer we recommend for diagnostics. I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, and Hyundai is right here. So if you're on the market for one, check it out. Now let's explain, okay, what we need to do now. Pretty simple guys. We need to go ahead and remove that upper engine cover, so I can show with great detail. When you're working on your car with the engine inside the car, you need to remove that upper engine cover. You're going to come in on this side now. The front side of the engine, that's the intake manifold. On the back side is the exhaust manifold. Here you will have two camshafts. One is intake camshaft under the valve cover, one is exhaust camshaft valve under the valve cover. You need to find the exhaust side, which is on this side, and that sensor right here is known as exhaust camshaft position sensor. So we need to get, okay, what is this one now? 12mm socket guys, okay, and we need to go ahead and remove that bracket for the engine hook right here. So once you remove that one guys, okay, you can see it holds it like that. That plate will come loose. Here you're going to press down, okay, press in first, okay, push all the way in, press down, and now pull out, and that sensor comes out guys, the wiring harness, like that. Now let me show you on the other side, okay, what is actually guys holding that sensor in place. You have one bolt on the bottom, you can see 10mm socket. Now that sensor can be really stuck. You can move it a little bit and pull at the same time and it will come out. This is the exhaust camshaft position sensor out of a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. You can see that's how you guys, okay, remove and replace that exhaust camshaft position sensor. Now if you want to see how to test exhaust camshaft position sensor, we have the video on the channel that's going to show you how to do that. Actually it will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys, how to test camshaft position sensor on a Hyundai. Please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.